Right, the first thing I've got to show you is a squashed flower. Now obviously yours might be on your hat or it might be part of a fascinator. I've only got them loose because I keep my samples at the moment. I've overhauled them and they're relatively good nick. But you can see here that this flower is squashed out of shape. So the key to this is the kettle, which has just come to the boil. It's going to go noisy for a minute as I boil it through again. It's very careful not to over steam these, but steaming is the way to lift some life back into it. So as you can see, it's quite oops, that top's just opening the lid of the kettle. Right, it's out of shape, but if I just lift it over the steam, you can see it's starting to loosen a little bit. I don't want to steam it too much because you lose some of the shape that's put into the flower when it's made. There we go. Can you see the flower coming back to life a little bit? As I say, be very careful. I'm just doing it in what steam's coming off. Now it's switched off. But can you see how it's opening up? There we go. And I'm just going to hold that there until it goes cold. And that's how you bring a flower back to life. But as I say, if you over steam it, you lose all these nice curves and things that have been put into it. So it's a case of just doing it very gradually. As I say, this kettle isn't boiling anymore. I've just taken the lid off and it's just in the residual steam.